Understanding beard texture. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a rather unique topic that's not often talked about in English learning. Beard texture. Understanding these kinds of phrases is essential for grasping the subtle nuances of English. So, let's explore what beard texture means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. When we talk about beard texture, we're referring to the feel, look, and quality of the hair that grows on a man's chin and cheeks. Just like the hair on our heads, beard hair can vary greatly from person to person. Some might have a soft and silky beard, while others might have a beard that's coarse or wiry. Several factors can affect a person's beard texture, such as genetics, grooming habits, and health. Genes play a big role in determining hair texture, while regular grooming and the use of certain products can help maintain a beard's softness. Similarly, a healthy diet and lifestyle may positively influence hair texture. Describing beard texture isn't just about the touch. It also includes its appearance. You might hear phrases like patchy beard, indicating uneven growth, or full beard, which means thick and even growth. Understanding these descriptions can be quite useful, especially in contexts involving fashion, personal grooming, or even in storytelling to describe a character in detail. Beard texture isn't just a personal trait. It can carry cultural significance too. In some cultures, a beard is a sign of wisdom and respect. The texture of a beard can sometimes influence perceptions and stereotypes. It's interesting to see how a simple phrase can open a window into cultural attitudes and values. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, beard texture, and its use in the English language. Whether you're describing a character in a story or discussing personal grooming, this is a phrase that can add real depth to your conversations. Until next time, keep practicing your English and stay curious about the unique phrases it has to offer.